Morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the Thrifting vlog. It is Sunday. I'm really excited to go shopping today. It's super duper sunny and it's 80 degrees. If you guys are excited to go thrifting, because I am, especially when the weather gets really nice like this, it makes me even more like excited. The sun is so intense right now in my face. What was I gonna say? Oh, if you guys have not checked it out, go to the store, itsHadrian.com. 25% off your entire purchase. Just make sure to DM me first if you're interested in anything. It's like a celebratory sale to celebrate getting 10,000 followers on Instagram. I can't believe we did it. There's 10,000 of us on Instagram. It's crazy. So if you guys haven't already started following me, follow me on Instagram. I do behind the scenes stuff, more thrifting, more home decor, more hauls. It's so much fun. And I'm also going to be doing a giveaway sometime this week on there. I'm going to be announcing it, and it's going to be good. I have been waiting to get to 10K for so long. I honestly never thought it was going to happen because it was a really slow process. Instagram is like not my friend. I don't know why. But I hope you guys are excited to go thrifting today, because I am, so let's go out and have some fun. Yes, if you guys haven't seen yesterday's 2 videos, go check them out. There's a thrifting video when I got thrifting throughout the day. I took you to a couple stores, and then there was a haul as well. The haul is amazing. Such good stuff. Let me tell you, there's like Balenciaga, there's Jimmy Choo, there's Michael Kors, there's Kate Spade. So much great stuff, so go check that out. I'm gonna have the videos linked somewhere here as well. Also, for today's bags of the day, got my Celine, got the Chanel. This winning combination is totally making me so happy right now, so I haven't switched them out yet. Love them. This is actually the headquarters for the Orange County Goodwill, right next to where the stores are. So first store is going to be Computer Works, then the Goodwill, the regular store, and then around the corner is the Marketplace, which is the outlet. Look at all those donations. Ooh, so many goodies. Ooh, look at those chairs and that art. Pretty. Come on, handbags. This Goodwill's been here for a while. So is this fake Chloe. You know, I actually found a real Chloe Paddington at the Goodwill, I think twice. I found actually a few real Chloes, which is amazing. Oh, and I just recently found that Chloe wallet. Oh my gosh, totally forgot. The handle looks very Balenciaga-like.
Can I get restroom door assistance, please? Restroom door assistance. Customers on her way. Customers on her way. Thank you.
I'm looking through the shoes. Found these Vince sneakers. That shoe looks fine, but the other one looks like it was squished by a car or something. Ooh, this carpet is actually super cute. It's $40. I like the tassels. I like the color. That red and natural fiber one is kind of cute too. I like this one, so it doesn't look like it's that large of a carpet. Oh, look at this toucan. That's really cool. That looks like someone painted it themselves. Whoa. Why does that look like the Les Miserables cover almost? Charlie Chaplin. Oh, sorry. There's like a lot of people here today. I feel like I always look at that every time I come here. I look at that one specific candlestick holder. Look at these. Oh, yeah, Target. Ooh. These are Anthro. 99 cents for the letter J and B. I wonder if there's any more. How cool this thing is. For like little votives or something. Little wallet. Little watering can. This is a cute bowl. Woo. I really want to see this pumpkin plate. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. How cute is that plate? I like that it's like a matte finish. Very cool. Ooh, look at how festive these plates are. Circa. That is like a fun summer print. I can kind of get behind that. I kind of like it. I'm looking for, I think I told you guys this last time I was here, but there's a plate, there's like a table setting that I wanted to recreate from Pottery Barn by Monique Lullier, and so I'm like looking for pieces to accomplish said table. Unfortunately, nothing so far, but I'm very, very hopeful. It's like a white and pink crystal flowers. It's gonna be fantastic. Oh, that's right. She had like rose gold, like dinnerware, which I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find. I feel like that's a pretty rare thing. Oh, I looked at this last time. It is not. Nope, threshold. Not Le Creuset, false alarm. This is kind of cool. So is this. I'm pretty sure they sold this at Pottery Barn. Looks very familiar. You know what I'm also on the hunt for? Anything to do with Elf on a Shelf, because that stuff is so expensive come Christmas time and the kids are so obsessed, and I'm like, I need to find some more Christmas stuff. Or Elf on the Shelf stuff. Ooh, do you guys remember when I found a Dyson? That was like literally the best. I found one of those Dyson vacuums, like the one I already have. Amazing. Oh, this is actually really cool. Someone, I think, spray painted that. This is also really cool looking because it looks like jade, but it's plastic. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. Little wardrobe thing. 25. Hey, these are Pottery Barn, Emma.
Thank you.
I saw 2 of these somewhere else the other day too. Yesterday at another store. Ooh, the rest of the furry chairs are gone. I bought them the other day and now they've disappeared, and rightly so because they were amazing. They look fantastic in the house. They still have this, which I really, really like. This chair's cool too. I want to show you guys what I found so far. I have this like pink thing. I don't know, I'm thinking about getting it for my sister, but I don't think she needs it. Laundry hamper, but I don't have any carts, so I was carrying stuff around inside here. But I found this elf set thing, and I literally almost bought this at Michael's full price because I thought it would be so fun for the kids, but there wasn't enough time left in December to get it and have it feel worth it. Good thing I waited because the Goodwill has blessed me. Remember when I was over there in Disney section, or in the Disney section, in the Christmas section? Yeah, this is only 10 bucks. This was twice the price at Michael's. Then I found these, Mom loves these reusable Ziploc bags. Super cute. These are a set of 4 of these on Amazon are like 30 something. I think they're on sale for 20, and these are just $1 each. So I think these are a pretty good deal. Mom loves these. Reusable. You can put them in the dishwasher. They're awesome. I got these cool like sandals. I don't know if I'm gonna get them, but they're like Timberland. This Spring Petals Barbie. I think it's like vintage, so I was gonna look it up and see if it was like sellable. But it's like an Avon exclusive, $4. And they're just like a black shirt. Nothing too exciting. But the piece de resistance is this Izzy Miyake Bayo bag. Cannot believe this. Look at that, $7.99. Amazing. But yeah, look at there's like the little Bayo thing right there. There's that button. I'm pretty sure this is authentic. Alright you guys, we just got to the crossroads here in Irvine. Let's go inside, check it out. I haven't been here in a second, so I'm pretty excited to see what they have today. So far I have two Mark by Marks. I really like that green one. Just found this Tory Burch. It's like a tie-dye pony hair. Gorgeous. Hey guys, we are back home now and I am wiped out. Today has been such a long day, but very, very exciting with what we found. So, don't forget to tune in for the rest of the week because I'm going to be putting out the videos throughout the week for what I found. Don't forget to check out the sale in the shop. itsHadrian.com. Again, 25% off your entire purchases. Make sure to message me first before you purchase so I can discount the items for you because I can't do anything after you've already purchased the items. And then, I actually am going to be doing something very exciting tomorrow. I don't want to let you guys know exactly what it is yet. I'm going to try and film and see what's up. I don't want to get your hopes up, but it's something that's going to be pretty exciting, and it's something that, I don't know. I think it's really, really cool, and I never thought this would happen. So, it's like really random. It's not... You guys are going to be like, Hadrian, calm down. But I'm going to try and vlog the whole thing, tomorrow. So... when you guys see this, the vlog will be up the next day, so you'll see if I'm able to vlog or anything, or at least I'll let you know what happened and how it was. And don't forget to check out my Instagram too. I'm going to definitely put some stuff up there as well. Hopefully while the process, like while what I'm doing, like as it's happening. So that should be pretty fun. So it's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. We did just reach 10K on there, so that is very, very exciting. I cannot believe it. It's so cool. So if you guys don't already follow me there, go check it out. But I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys immensely. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Oh, which is later on today. So, oh no, which is this morning. This video will go up. So today there's 2 videos. So don't forget to check out this morning's video if you guys didn't do so already. I'm going to have it linked. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Found this Mark by Mark. But the handle needs to be like a resewn, as is $10. I mean, it's not too hard to resew this. I think it's supposed to have crossbody. I don't know, we'll hold on to this too. There's a lot of stuff here today.